Welcome to this bite-sized video. I'm Ankur from BytePlus. In this video, I'll show you how to check your API token consumption from the ModelArk console. To check the token consumption from ModelArk console, on the left-hand side menu, click on Monitoring section. On the monitoring page, you can view the summary of token consumption at account level, that is total number of tokens called for all APIs combined. You can view the input and output token breakdown by clicking on the corresponding tabs. By clicking on Days and Hours filter, you can see the distribution trend of token consumption on daily and hourly basis. To check the token consumption of individual API endpoint level, check Endpoint Usage Details dashboard. In the Endpoint Details section, select or search the API endpoints. You can select the preset inference endpoint or custom created inference endpoint which you are using in your API. Select your corresponding endpoint and view the usage and consumption details of your token. To help you with token estimation, you can use BytePlus's tokenizer tool to help you in high-level estimation of token consumption corresponding to different models based on the input, text, and images. To access tokenizer tool from ModelArk console, in the menu, click on Tokenizer tool. In the window, select LLM model. In this case, I'm selecting Skylark Pro. Enter your text, and on the right hand side section in tokenized results you can see the total character count estimated and estimated total number of tokens. Similarly, for multi-model LLMs such as ByteDance Seed 1.6 model, you can also input images and estimate token consumption. Upload your image, enter a text prompt, check results for total estimation, as well as breakdown of tokens for images and text inputs.